In its 6 years on sale in India, the Toyota Etios and Liva had already undergone a couple of minor facelifts. So you probably think yet another midlife makeover of the Etios twins isn't worth your time. But this time around, there is more to the story than what meets the eye. On the exterior, the most striking visual changes are to the front bumper and grille. A rather bland-looking bumper has been traded for a sharper and sportier one. Also, a large heavily sculpted black insert on the bumper houses the fog lamps with chrome bezels. The grille too has gone under the knife and sports a V-shape now. While the Etios gets chrome garnish around the grille, the Liva comes with body-colored accents instead. The new Liva gets the same sporty alloy wheels as the TRD Sportivo Special Edition, which gives it a very attractive side profile. Changes are minimal to the rear, where subtle changes can be seen on the bumper and the tail lamps. A new chrome strip with integrated reflectors on the boot of the Etios looks neat. Inside the cabin, the cars have a more premium appeal now, thanks to the improved plastic quality, new dual-tone theme, better seat upholstery, and a handful of new features. The instrument cluster still sits in the center of the dashboard. However, the new Optitron combimeter has received a complete makeover with the addition of a digital tachometer. While the new color theme and illumination makes it easy on the eye, a neat chrome garnish gives it a more premium appeal. Black and ivory dual-tone dashboard coupled with a new ivory seat fabric has lifted the aura of the cabin. Most noticeable changes are made to the seats, which offer enhanced cushioning and contours for better comfort. Toyota has given special attention to the rear seats to make them even more comfortable. The Etios now comes with a central armrest for the rear seats, which is built to last and can take a load of more than 80 kilograms. The seats are designed in such a way that all three passengers get the same seating comfort, and all three rear headrests are adjustable. The Etios, which boasts of the best in class 592-liter boot space, now additionally has foldable seats at the rear to make the storage area even more usable. In terms of convenience, the new Etios and Liva get electronically foldable ORVMs and rear parking sensors. The Liva gets rear wiper as standard across all variants. Steering-mounted audio controls, Bluetooth, electrically adjustable mirrors, enhanced audio system, and height-adjustable driver's seat will be available on the top variants. Toyota has done a commendable job in the safety department, both active and passive. The Etios and Liva offers airbags across all variants including the previous generations, and the new Platinum models come with ABS with EBD as standard on all variants. The front seats are equipped with pre-tensioner and force limiter seat belts, and all three rear occupants get a 3-point seat belt with emergency locking retractor. In a segment first, Toyota offers dual ISOFIX child seat locks as well. Moreover, the rear seats have a newly developed tubular frame that improves the safety of the passengers in the event of a rear collision. Passive safety features include augmented crumple zones and side impact protection that help the cars earn 4 stars in the global NCAP crash test. Under the hood, Toyota has left the performance department untouched, and the 1.4-liter diesel and 1.5-liter petrol engines mated to the 5-speed manual transmission have been carried over from the previous models. Delivering 90 PS of power and 132 Nm of torque, the petrol engine is rev-happy with very smooth power delivery. The diesel engine develops 68 PS at 3800 rpm and 170 Nm of torque between 1800 to 2400 rpm. There is very minimal turbo lag under 1800 rpm, and despite a narrow power band, you don't need to work hard to maintain a decent pace. The company claims a mileage of 16.78 km per liter for petrol and 23.59 km per liter for diesel. Toyota claims 7% reduction in noise levels, and the diesel engine is indeed very quiet while idling. The suspension has been further tweaked to enhance ride and handling. However, customers would appreciate the lighter clutch operation, thanks to a spring-assisted mechanism and smoother gear shifts, both of which would be a blessing in city driving. The new Platinum Etios and Leva command a premium of approximately 40,000 rupees over the previous versions. But considering the enhanced safety features, refinement, improved cabin feel and extended warranty scheme, we think the new Platinum Etios and Leva proves great value for money and should appeal to many.